Let's spend a couple minutes today talking about owning a suppressor in Washington state. I suppose the first question that we should ask ourselves is, am I even allowed to own a suppressor in Washington state, the same state that bans the capacity of my magazine? The answer may surprise you because, yes, under Washington law, you may lawfully own a suppressor or silencer so long as you do so according to federal law. Now, the applicable statute here is RCW 9.41.250, which actually describes many other unlawful weapons that are illegal to possess in Washington state. 941.250 subsection 1C specifically states, every person who uses any contrivance or device for suppressing the noise of any firearm, unless the suppressor is legally registered and possessed in accordance with federal law, is guilty of a gross misdemeanor punishable under Chapter 9A.20 of the RCW. And let's remember that a gross misdemeanor is punishable by up to 364 days in jail and a $5,000 fine. So you must own it in accordance with federal law. What does that mean? Well, it means that the suppressor, if purchased as is, that is, you bought a completed suppressor, you would have gone through an FFL and filled out a Form 4, registered it with the ATF, paid a $200 tax stamp, and upon receiving ATF approval, you and you only now can use that suppressor. If you manufactured a suppressor, you would have filled out a Form 1 specifying all of the parts used to manufacture that suppressor, registered it through an FFL along with a $200 tax stamp and awaited ATF blessings. If you've been geeking out on this channel for a while, you know about the trials and tribulations of suppressors, solvent traps, and everything with the ATF, and that essentially Form 1s, that is assembling your own suppressor, is probably under this administration a thing of the past. Listen, for a more thorough discussion about suppressors, both on a statewide or nationwide level, check out all of these videos that we've done here on this channel. My name is William Kirk. I'm the president of Washington Gun Law, and you have been watching Bullet Points.